Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to embed your Canva designs directly onto your Wix website. Whether you've created a stunning presentation, an ebook, or a custom graphic, embedding them allows your site to update automatically whenever you make a change in Canva. These steps relate perfectly to each other to give your site a professional, interactive edge. First, you need to grab the right code from Canva. Open the design you want to display and click the Share button in the top right corner. Click More and look for the Embed icon. Canva will give you two options. Select the HTML embed code and copy it. This code is live, meaning if you fix a typo in Canva later, it will update on your Wix site without you having to re-upload anything. Next, we need to bring that code into the Wix Editor. Head over to your site, click the plus icon to add elements, and select Embed. Choose Embed HTML, and a gray box will appear on your page. Click Enter Code, paste your Canva snippet into the box, and hit Update. You might see a small notice about JavaScript, but don't worry, Wix handles this perfectly. The final connected step is cleaning up the look. Canva usually includes a small credit line below the design with the title and author name. If you want a cleaner, pro look, you can manually delete that bit of text from the bottom of the code snippet before you hit Update. Once the design appears, just grab the corners of the Wix embed box and stretch it to fit your design's dimensions. Make sure to check your mobile editor as well to ensure the Canva frame scales down nicely for phone users. That is literally it. If this guide helped you bring your Canva creations to life on your site, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to embed a Canva live presentation next, and I will see you in the next one.